Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my holiday binder. I have $50 in prop money, and let's get started. How are you guys doing today? Today is my off day, so I'm just getting a bunch of filming done today. And let's get started with our first challenge. Money's flying out. So first we have for Thanksgiving, we have this summertime fun created by Snowgarner 307. It says $50, amounts 1 through 15. So we got 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is a 6. Perfect. All right, $6. And this I have a back. Do I want to do the back? I think I should. I don't know. $6. I might flip this over and do the back. We shall see. Next, we have Black Friday. And let's see. This is created by Bookish Mama Budgets. And it says 45, 1, 2, and 3. And that is a 3. Perfect. So 2 and 3. Next we have It's Christmas. And this is a Scratch and Save book created by Cajangirlcreates. And we already finished 1 page, 2 pages. And we on this 3rd page and it says $65. And I just realized there's a 6 here that didn't have a sticker. So I'm going to save this $6. Boom, put that in there. Next we have New Year's. And this is created by Snowgarner 307. Says $50. Amounts 1 through 9 and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that is $9. Let me see. Do I got $1? I do. Put that $1 back and put 2 5s in. Boom, bam, boom. And moving on along. We have Valentine's Day. And this is created by Stuff and Budget. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, and that is an 8. $8. And this is a mystery save. So let's do 5, 7, and 8. We have Easter. And this is all for next year, of course. Says $50. This is created by Budget with Carly. Cute little butterflies. So 1. So let's start up here. And that is 6. So, 5 and 6. All right, we doing great. I didn't know how much to put in here because I took out the What the Duck and my vacation savings out of this. So this is a strictly like holiday, and I did keep birthday in here. So a little like holiday celebration kind of binder. So I am happy with this. So this is created by Snowgarner 307. Time to celebrate because it's my birthday. So this says $75. I am saving for the next birthday coming up. It's my husband's birthday in October. So yes. So 1. So let's go here. And that is a 6. And I believe this one has a back. Do it? Yes. So we're going to do 6 and we're going to do a 5 on the back for $11. So 5. Oh, do we got 11? I should have made sure. So 5, 2, 4, 6. Okay, that's 11. Okay. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, $11. All right, how much we have left? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 left. What are we going to do? This is amount, 1 through 15. Is it only, no, I'm not going to do that. No. And so what I said I have left? $6. This is, I need to put a catch-all in here. That's 1 through 9. Don't know. Easter. I don't know. Oh, gems, what shall I do? I need a catch-all in here. Should I just do one and have an IOU? I didn't know. I don't know, gems. What should I do? Should I scratch another birthday one? Or I'm just, you know what? Oh, no, I didn't wait till that was dry. What I'm going to do is put another $5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just roll that dollar over for next week. Because, yeah, I don't want no IOU. So let's put another $5 in here. Let's make sure this is dry first. Oh, I just touched and got all over my hand. Oh dear. All right, definitely gonna have to wash my hands after that. I'm just gonna put that in here. All right, so we have $1 left over, and I'm just gonna save this for next time. So I'll put that right there. And I will put a catch-all in here too. All right, gems, that is $50 put into my holiday binder. Thanks to everyone for your love and support. And if you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.